In.
Today we're going to do a lesson in
Chromatography! I don't even know that word.
chromatography. That's the study of colors, and we're going to see how colors move in water when they dissolve in water. So what we need are some coffee filters, and you could use some food coloring, and wait, we're not going to fold that yet, and some markers that are washable markers. These are water soluble markers. And what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the center of filter paper and fold them up. So what I did with the food coloring was I folded up the filter papers, and then I just put a drop of food coloring, of different colors of food coloring. We're going to mix up the different colors, and then as water travels through, we're going to see that the different colors travel at different speeds, so they'll actually separate. So if you want to make a whole bunch of these for a class or something, you can just pour in some food colorings together, make a mixture, and then just dip that in real quick. So what we're going to use to develop our paper chromatography is a little water dish here, and what we've done is we've cut up some sponges into little squares, and then add just enough water so that it's lower. It keeps the sponge wet, but it's lower than the level of the sponge. And then all we're going to do is, you want to do that, stand it up in the so it's resting on the sponge, and then the water is going to start traveling up. It's going to wick up through the paper, and as it does that, it's going to travel. The colors are going to travel with it. So what the kids have done, Ellie, you want to show? Ellie decorated a paper filter with washable marker and some of this Sharpie as well.
No.
It's all washable marker.
And vis-a-vis.
Okay, and vis-a-vis, this is a wet erase marker. This is a really great marker to use. This
It's upside
black
down.
has a lot of really great colors mixed inside of it. You'll see that when you develop it. And then Andy, you also decorated yours, and did you use some Sharpie marker too? So if you use Sharpie marker, Sharpie does not dissolve in water. So we're going to see that even when that gets wet, it doesn't travel. So you can decorate any way you want. I'll do one with Sharpie so we can see it. And then what you can do is fold it in half. And then fold it in half again, and fold it in half again. We'll keep folding it in half.
How do you use it for?
Just keep folding in half so it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. We're going to make a little cone. And what I'm going to do is just take just vis-a-vis marker here. And you can also see what are some other things we can test, like a pencil. Do you guys think pencil will move?
No. Yes.
Yes, you think it'll move? Okay. Ellie doesn't think it'll move. How about a pen?
No.
That's not going to move? Okay, and we'll test the Sharpie up too.
Oh no, that is cool.
That's not going to move?
Do the vis-a-vis.
I did that in the middle. We'll see that one go. Okay, and I'll do crayons. So go ahead, Andy. You can stand yours up in one of there.
Wait, let's see.
And who do we have joining us? We have, who's that guy?
Donut.
Donut and Swamp Man are here.
His name is Green.
Because everyone loves science, even swamp monsters and black bears.
Not really.
So I'm going to fold it and fold it and fold it,
What's up, people?
and we'll rest that on here. We'll see how these all turn out. Now what's really cool is when you're done, you have some really nice, so here we had, this had all the different colors in it. You can see that the blue compound traveled the fastest, so that's all the way out the edge, and the green, the red came out in the middle. So you really get to see how the colors separate. And then a really neat project is you could take this and turn it into a little butterfly. If you have a clothespin, you can take this and fold it, pinch the ends together to make a little bow tie, and then you could put that into your paper clip here, into your clothespin rather, and make one wing, and then you could take a different color one maybe, pinch that together. How'd that turn out? Oh good, so that was a blue, that had blue and green food coloring. Get really nice bold colors when you use the food coloring. So you can make a little butterfly, and you can have the kids, decorate put their name on this and decorate it, or put little googly eyes. And another really cool idea is to cut up the different pieces, the different papers, after you develop them. Whoa, and then we have blue and green and red. We have all sorts of very pretty colors. And then if you use a little dish, if you have some glue, you can use some glue to paint those on and make some pictures with it. So you can use those as real colorful, do some shellac projects, and it's much less expensive than using tissue paper. and it's also something that's very creative because you get to make your own colors. So we have a chromatography lesson and an art lesson when we're done. You can also use some droppers with water to drip on here to see how colors move. So this is just a fun opportunity to predict whether or not things will move and then experiment with them. So how did yours turn out? Oh, that's cool, Ellie. Looks like all of yours dissolved. Mine's still going. Let's take a look. It's just about starting moving up there. How's yours doing, Andy? How's your swamp monster doing? He likes it? He likes it? Is he into science? How about the bear? Is this his first, Ellie? Is that his first
He's just chillaxing.
time with science? He's chillaxing? Yeah, we're all chillaxing here on a beautiful sunny day. Okay, let's check this out. So remember, all this was black marker, the vis-a-vis wet erase marker. And check out those colors. Look at that. What are you seeing there?
Apparently, Sharpie didn't run, crayon didn't run, pen didn't run, or pencil.
Yeah, so we tested out those other things, and we see those are not dissoluble in water, so none of those moved. But look at all the different colors that are mixed into that black. There's blue and pink and yellow. Really fun stuff. So that is a great chromatography experiment right there. Annie, let's see how yours went.
No, I'm still
Yours is still going? Okay, we'll still go a little bit. What else could we show?
That red line. That red line is my mark.
Yeah. So here we can, so I already have some green and blue on here. And so what I can do if I just want to make one or two of these, all I need to do is just put a drop, boop, just like that. So you can make them one by one like that if you want to, but it's a lot faster to pre-mix your dye, you know, in a little dish. And then we'll put that on here. No, we're good. You're good. You got your marker already. No, we'll make another one.
Look,
Well, let's see yours. I know. Look what happened. Andy's washed out. Right in the middle, all his ink moved. And so it's actually colorless there. And he said it's white because you totally washed it.
That's kind of white.
That's why they're washable markers. So that's why, let's see, when we're using a Sharpie marker, we have to be very careful we don't get it on our clothes because that doesn't wash out. How did it go? Wow, that is cool. So all his colors moved except where it says I love scientists. He must have done that in Sharpie marker. Good job. All right, well, thanks for joining us for a little chemistry demo.
Peace out, people.
Happy chromatography.